What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and thank you guys so much for pressing the button to watch your girl today. So, y'all know what it is from the title. It's Lash Day, baby. Y'all know this is my favorite type of unboxing, and today we have two My Lash bag, LASHYBOX'S. So if you guys want to see what I have in both of these subscriptions, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. All right, loves, welcome. Y'all know I'm TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, we're doing my favorite subs, lash subs. Y'all know I think I'm the lash queen, so I love to unbox eyelash subscriptions. Also, for my drink today, we're drinking on a little bit of pink Moscato, and I'm very, very happy for this. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Before we get any further in this video, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early, rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys. And now, let's get on into the specs and unbox these babies, okay? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna do the quick specs on Lash Bag. This one is a $9.99 per month lash subscription. It does come with free shipping. 4 pairs of lashes each month is what you're supposed to get. You can choose from natural, bold, or dramatic. I chose the bold bag. This is the sister company of LASHYBOX'S. So this is my last month with this company. I did a 6-month subscription, so this is the final month with them. So I did open it and peeked in, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got. So we're gonna unbox this one really quick, and then we're gonna go to LASHYBOX'S. All right, guys, so let's pull everything out. All right, they do give you a little bit of a sample glue right here. First pair are these Ruby Made 3D lashes in the shape, well, in the style Cam 3D 16. That's what the packaging looks like, my loves. I don't like Ruby Made's lashes, so I probably will, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. But these are very natural, very wispy. So they are cute lashes. I just personally don't care for the band. But if one of you guys like Ruby Made lashes, let me know and I will send this one to you. Cool. Next pair we got, which is my favorite. This is from AMOUR USA, and these are the Silk Mink lashes in the style, I don't know. I don't see a style, guys, but look at them. The packaging is pretty. The lashes are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And let's see. And this is what they look like. Now, these are definitely TonyaNicole, nice and full, dramatic. I love them. This will definitely get you a good sexy cat eye, short to long. Oh, I'm excited about these, guys. I'm excited. And then our last two, it comes from My Lash Bag, the company itself. And they come packaged like this in this little bag. That's different. I don't think I've received lashes from their company before. And these are your first one in the name Granada. These are the first set of lashes. I do like these, guys. I don't usually wear lashes like this, but I will definitely try these out and see, because these are very pretty. I like that. Okay, cool. These are definitely bold. I like bold. The last pair are the Panama. And these are definitely very bold and dramatic. I do like these. I will try these on. They do feel very soft, guys. The band is a little thick on the eye, but I don't mind a wide band because I always wear, well, usually wear eyeliner. So yeah, I like these too. Okay, My Lash Bag. They came through this month. I like the lashes. Okay. 3 out of 4 is not bad. These are the 4 pairs that we received from them. And I'm excited. 3 of the 4, I won't use these, but these 3 are very cute. These are TonyaNicole approved, guys. Let's take a dance break and a drink break and move to LASHYBOX'S. All right, and last up, guys, we have LASHYBOX, and the one that I'm subscribed to is the $13.99 per month lash and beauty subscription. You do have to pay for shipping, and it is based on your location. You're supposed to get 4 pairs of lashes each month and some makeup or beauty tools. It's supposed to have a minimum value from $50 to $80. There's a link in the description if you guys want to subscribe to this company. They also offer a drama box, a soft glam box, a mini box, and an XL box. I just have the regular base box. So let's get her opened and see what we got. All right, it looks like that on the inside. And first up, we have from Flaunt Beauty, and these are the So Money Baby. I think I got these last month. I don't know which subscription though. I think it was my lash bag, but these are very pretty. I have worn those a couple of times already, and I do really like them. So I'm really excited to get a backup pair. I really like these guys. They are nice. Even though they don't look as full, they do look very pretty on my eyes. So I do like these. We also have from Flaunt Beauty these empowered lashes right here, which are definitely TonyaNicole-esque. I do like these. Oh, and they're so soft. They look so natural. They look 3D, like they're stacked. I do like these. Nice and wispy, short to long. Love it. Love it. Ooh, okay, LASHYBOX. They coming through. They coming through. I like Lash. I always did like LASHYBOX. They had a couple little mishaps. I don't know what was going on with them, but they back, big. Next, we have these from LASHYBOX in the style Gemini right here. And I do like these. Let me open it up so you guys can see. They're so soft and pretty. Those are the Gemini lashes. I do love these. Oh, they're gorgeous. And last but not least, we have, oh, wait, this have blue in it or purple? Oh, these are called Blueberry. And let me show you guys. That's what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it because it looks like there's purple, blue, and pink fibers on here. Oh yes, I love this. I hope you guys can see the different colors. These are gorgeous. Oh my God, I love these. I love them. Ooh. I do like colorful lashes. They're not too dramatic and too like Halloweenish. So I can wear them like with regular stuff, I guess. I like these though. Okay. And we have one more product, guys. They did give us a sample glue. And we have this product here by Flaunt Beauty. And this is the, what is that? Indica? I don't know what that says. Indica? I don't know. It's a 6-color eyeshadow palette with cannabis seed extract in it. Okay, so there we have that. And y'all know purple is my favorite color. So let's open her up and see. I will try to find the prices to all of these products, guys, and put them down below. That's what it looks like when you take it out of the package. And you open it up, girl. We have a mirror. And, ooh, this palette is beautiful. Oh, my God. Oh, this palette is gorgeous. There's matte shades to go with the shimmer shades. Like, this is the matte purple. I gotta swatch this. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, they feel, oh my goodness, they feel great. There is 4 mattes and 2 shimmers, but they feel, oh, look at this. Oh my God, girl. Let me swatch these last 2. Oh, they feel so nice. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, girl, that's how they swatched out on my hand. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am definitely doing a first impressions video with this. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this palette. Oh, okay, cool. All righty. Let's recap this box. I got makeup all over my hands, guys, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Flaunt Beauty this 6-color eyeshadow palette, these 2 products, these 2 pairs of lashes from Flaunt Beauty as well, and these 2 from LASHYBOX. So that's 5 products from LASHYBOX. Okay. Final thoughts on both boxes. My lash bag, I thought was a great bag this month. I can use 3 of the 4 pairs of lashes that I received. So I do really like this month for my lash bag. If I had to rate them on a scale of 1 being this bag is garbage, 3 to damn fire, to 5 being this bag is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give my lash bag for the month of June a whopping 4. And as far as LASHYBOX, I really enjoyed this box. I can wear all of the lashes. I'm going to use this palette because the colors are speaking to me. They're gorgeous. I love them. Ooh, I do. So if I had to rate this one on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give a LASHYBOX for the month of June a whopping 5. Yes, I enjoyed both of these subscriptions. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on both of these boxes. Let me know if you're subscribed to any one of these. If you have not subscribed to your girl, I don't know what you're waiting for, boo. Pause the video, go on and hit subscribe, and then hit a thumbs up because I know you like this video, right? Yes, you do. I know you do. I'm convincing you now. If you haven't done so already, guys, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. I will also put my Lash Bags website down below and my link for LASHYBOX. So that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.